Friend, you can't just make genetics easy to understand in just one image. Me. I don't know how the first two are like purebred, but I guess it works. What you see. What the bacteria sees. It looks like little rice. How do I buy a house? How do I get a job? How do I pay taxes? Schools. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Why does it look like Super Y? Discovering something new. Chemistry. Biology. Geologists discovering a new kind of rock. Yay. The pupil of your eye can expand as much as 55% when seeing something you love. Calcium! Textbook I studied for 8 years. My first patient. Oh, I should have guessed not everyone would be perfectly fit and slim. Humans eat food to survive. Plants. Not a clock this time, huh? DNA. Ooh. You look nervous. No way, really? You know, we're kind of all nervous in a way. You are what you eat. Plants. The sun. Fun fact, toddler skulls are full of teeth. Waiting. Watching. Why do you have a toddler skull? Virus enters the body. The immune system. Either the virus goes, or everyone goes. If you're still alive, just know that your immune system has never lost a war. Over my dead body, immune system. No, seriously, if it fails, you will die. Pelvis. Pelvis Presley. It's right behind me, isn't it? Ah! Spine creature! Biology students after studying microbiology. Ooh, they're traumatized now. Human body. I feel like I don't want to be a doctor anymore. Overwhelmed and, frankly, scared. Friend, food can't fill that hole in your heart. Me? Oh, sure it can. You just gotta plug up your arteries, you know? Professor, can you show DNA and RNA visually? Me? RNA? DNA. I was just thinking that without the example, and then, I guess it's perfect. Positive and positive? Nah. Negative and negative? Nah. Negative and positive? Ooh, perfect romance story. And also magnet, I guess. You're a doctor from Doctor University. What's the diagnosis? Oh, that's just normal for women. Try taking ibuprofen or maybe losing weight. Yeah, medical misogyny is bad. You may not like it, but this is how all men are supposed to look. There are two types of people. Biology, organic chemistry, biochemistry. That's gotta be tough. Your bones secrete a hormone that can make you panic, scientists find. So it was my own spooky, scary skeleton that sent shivers down my spine. Removing the scab on your wound. Your blood platelets that have been working for days. Oh, come on, man. My kidney watching me open another soda. God, please just cut it out now. O plus. I can take blood only from O. O minus. I can take blood only from my own blood type. AB plus. Blood is blood. Teacher, could we live on Mars? Me, 12-year-old science student. Carbon dioxide, oxygen. I think trees are slower than our lungs? Men, when you sit on your wallet, regards. Biologists are just a bunch of cells that talk about other cells. Isn't that just lovely, though? I feel like the skeleton wants to frick so bad, but his pickup lines are just awful. How long are your guts? What food makes you grow? Get away from me. Me. Has low iron. Also me. Stands up. My body. I'm gonna teleport you to the shadow realm. Biologist.
Microbiologist.
Beyonce looks like an endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes attached to it. Oh my god, you're right. Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Oxygen. 3 P's in a very cramped pod. Chemist. What chemicals would be safe or harmful to the child? Biologist. What's the child's bloodline like? Philosopher. What is a child? Physicist.
Yeet the child.
Nice argument. However, I have already portrayed myself as the perfectly balanced 50% hog, and you and your friend as the grossly mishappen 70-30 and 30-70 hogs. Dang, you got us. Me tries to get up and use the bathroom at 3 a.m. Every single joint in my body.
What's crack-a-lackin'?
Dolphin brain versus human brain. Which one is which? A dolphin wouldn't ask. Just because it ain't no English doesn't mean it doesn't know brains. There must be a better way to show these muscles. Nah, I think we nailed it. Glutes, adductors, hamstring. Okay, man, just get it out of my face. This amoeba I saw through the microscope. Muscles make the body move. Give me your skin, George. Oh, I'd be moving alright if I saw that. What we study in class. What we see on the exam paper. You're kidding. Look at the scars my cat gave me. It's because you look like a salmon. Why am I majoring in biology? Let's see, like 20% is to understand the depths of genetics and help mankind. And the rest is just to create Pokemon. Maths goes over my head. Chemistry, a little less over my head. Physics, it's just turning around. Biology, straight through me. Dang, that's scary. Stay safe, everyone. See what happens to your body if you run for 5 minutes every day. Roses are red, it's hot like hell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. This is some advanced level humor right here. Bacteria, the only culture some people have. Biologists are jerks. Our sense of humor is infectious. This needs to go viral. O2. CO2. Breathe it in, breathe it out, breathe it in, breathe it out. Me. Falls asleep on arm. Blood cells. Let me in. Let me in! When you try to caffeinate yourself and just end up increasing your heart rate with no changes in exhaustion. Okay, cool, thanks, I guess. One testicle hangs a little lower than the other, so they don't touch each other because that's gay. Not that that would be bad, I mean, we are making testosterone, so. What I think will happen every time I crap. Mother poops out pound of pure body fat. Doctors, speechless. I mean, I know people who've just tried to poop a lot as their solution to losing weight, so. DNA. T. RNA. Electron microscope image of Naegleria fowleri, the brain-eating amoeba. Yo, let's go get a brain! My internal organs watching me choose iced coffee over water again. This is why I always am obsessed with water. Loading screen tips be like, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Why does that keep coming back today? Me, one night before exam. And I don't think they're studying. When you realize your body knows all answers for questions in your human biology lesson, but it won't tell you. Traitor! What most people see. Brownies. What colorblind people see. It's just knees, because they can't see brown. Who decided that skeletons are scary? Because I reckon I'd be absolutely terrified if the nervous system came at me. I got a better question. Who decided to leave that much space at the top? Me. I have a fear of hydroxyl groups. Therapist. Oh. Me. Chromosomes normally. Chromosomes during mitosis. Oh, it's all rushing back to me now. I remember it all. Mitosis. Oh. Bacteria. Frontiera. When you're feeling sad, remember this invertebrate C6 and how happy he is to literally support you every day. Oh, he's like a little axolotl. I'll strive to be like him. Anyway guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, peace.